Hey guys, Sunil here with DataLocker, and today we're going to be unboxing a couple of our devices and looking at some of the features between the two of them. We're going to be looking today at the SentryONE, which comes in both a managed and non-managed version, as well as the Sentry K300. Let's start with the Sentry K300. To unbox this one, I'm going to cut across the top with my handy-dandy DataLocker colored scissors here, right along the edge here, which should slide through the plastic and allow us to easily remove the device from the back of the packaging. Now, the K300 is an OS agnostic device, which means that you don't have to have an operating system in order to set it up. Power on the device using the power button at the bottom of the screen here. And once it comes up, use the password that's on the back of the package. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then press the green button to unlock the device. Once it's unlocked, you can then use the device with any machine that can read a USB mass storage device. This is a smart TV, an ATM, maybe medical equipment. The OS agnostic aspect of the K300 really allows a lot of flexibility. So remove the cap, which you can conveniently store on the bottom of the device here. Connect the device to whatever machine you're using it with, and away you go. When you're done using the device, you can simply remove it from the machine, or you can hold the power button to power off the device and then remove it from there. Keep in mind that any power changes that are detected by the K300 will cause the device to automatically lock. And this is important when using it with a Windows machine or a Mac machine that is set to automatically spin down or reduce power to USB drives to conserve the machine's power. If you need help configuring those settings so that the device doesn't automatically lock on you, reach out to our support team and we can help you out with that one. Let's take a look at the SentryONE. The SentryONE is packaged in everyone's favorite packaging, so I'm going to take my scissors again and cut along the right side here and then turn around the top. And then from the top, we're going to turn around the other end, which should allow the front of the package to easily pop open, revealing the device to us without slicing our hands. Now, as you can tell, this is not a pin pad device, so you will need a Windows or a Mac machine in order to configure the device. You'll simply remove the cap, plug the device into the machine that you're using, and then from there, launch the application and start the setup from there. Now, as I mentioned, this is both a managed and non-managed version that you can purchase, and the managed version is going to require that you connect it to your Safe Console server immediately, whereas the non-managed version will prompt you for a password, set up the device, and away you go. For those of you that are looking for enterprise deployments, make sure that you purchase the managed version, which allows your users to be forced to connect to Safe Console as the first thing that they do. One other thing I wanted to point out about the SentryONE, inside the package here that you might have missed if I wasn't showing you this, we've got a lanyard included. The lanyard included allows you to make sure that you don't lose the device as you carry it in your pocket. There is a small hole here on the end of the device itself. You can pinch the lanyard and slide it through just like you're threading a needle. And then once it's through, you can split it through and then give it a little tug, and there you go. Just like that. You have a way of securing your device and making sure that you don't lose it while your device is protecting your data that's encrypted on it. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, hit us up, and if not, we'll see you guys next time.